Okay, here's lab 10. And so let me see how I get on there. So lab 10, they gave us a bunch of functions. Let's see, they gave us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 functions. They gave us functions in terms of equations, those 5. Then they gave us one in terms of a graph, which is basically a set of ordered pairs, and then a set of ordered pairs. So here they're asking us to find f at -2. So we go up here to f, and I like to write f with the blank. F of the blank equals, what does it equal? 8 times the blank, parentheses, right? -2. What are they asking me to put in? -2. Put in -2 both spots. Order of operations, so that's -16 minus 2, which is -18. H at 2, so h of the blank equals the blank, parentheses, right, over the blank, is it -6? Yeah, -6. And then you're putting in 2, all these spots. So that's 2 over -4, which is -1/2. K at x plus a, so k blank equals, let's go see what k equals. K, here it is, squared, and -2 times, and then is it +9, +9. And what we're filling in, right, what's going in here, it's not going to fit. I don't know if it'll fit. All my pens are kind of thick. X plus a, x plus a, x plus a. Into the spots. This is FOIL. So this is x plus a times x plus a, which is x squared plus xa plus xa plus a squared. And then minus 2x minus 2a plus 9. And then there's very few like terms to combine here, but you could combine like terms. And let's see here, we're going to have 2 of these. So x squared plus 2xa plus a squared minus 2x minus 2a plus 9. So they want us to find values of x such that h of x equals 4. H of x, right, is equal to x minus x divided by x minus 6. So right here for h of x, right, h of x equals 4, you're going to replace this with what it's equal to, which is x over x minus 6. And then this gives us something that we can solve for x. You could write this is a fraction on this side. You could write this as a fraction on this side, write it as 4 over 1, and then cross multiply. I love to cross multiply, and so since it's possible, that's what I would do here. So this is 1 times x is x, and 4 times x minus 6. So this is x equals, so it was rational, right? It was a fraction equals a fraction. It's called a proportion. And but now it is just linear, right? So taking away 4x. So long story short, amount of room, -3x, right? 1 take away 4x is -3x equals -24. Dividing by -3, I'm going to get x is 8. And they asked me to find x. N at 92, so n of the blank equals, so different, right? It's different, asking me a different thing. So here, the absolute value, and then I like to have like a blank, and was it -1 or was it +1? It was +1, it doesn't matter what it is, whatever it is, I'll do it. And so, and I meant to put a blank here instead of the writing the x. I like to just leave space there, and I like parentheses. So in here I'm going to go -92 and -92 because it is just substitution and parentheses are implied. And so when I add these together, I get -91. So this is the absolute value of -91. And the absolute value of -91 is +91. And then j at 2, let's see what j says to do. J of the blank equals 2 over and then this squared minus 6 times this, right? And they're asking us to put in -2 here. When we do the arithmetic in the denominator, we get, this is 4 plus 12, right? So I'm just thinking here in my thoughts, 4 plus 12, right? Which is 16. So this is 1/8. 1/8 is our answer here. So 91 was our answer here. This horrid thing was our answer here. Our answer here was x equals 8. Our answer here was -1/2. And here our answer was -18. They give us those same functions. So there they are. And they ask us to find p at 3. And so p is the ordered pair. And the input is 3. The output is 4. So this is just simply 4. G at 1 tells me go look on this graph. And this really is an ordered pair there, 1, 2, right? And that's the only place that x is 1. And so it's just like this. I mean, you're looking at it off a graph, but it's still the same. That's an ordered pair there. So the answer is 2, right? When the input is x is 1, what's the output? Output's 2. They ask us to find the domain of G. And so the domain of G, remember, is this is the last, this is as far to the left as it goes. And this is the x value of -3. This is as far to the right as it goes. So I can get it trapped between these two horizontal lines, vertical lines rather, and those vertical lines go from -3 to 3. So that's the domain. -3 to 3. They didn't ask me to find the range, and so this will be a bonus, right? They didn't ask me. The range here is, that's the lowest it goes. Here is the highest it goes. So you can see that I can put my function in a box. It doesn't climb out of my box there. So the lowest it goes is -4. The highest it goes is 3. So the range was -4 to 3. Okay, so that was a bonus. They didn't ask you to do that. I'm going to erase it off of here because when I go grade these things, I'll get crazy and think that I asked that. I didn't. This is asking me to do two things. N of the blank equals the absolute value of the blank plus 1, right? And that's absolute value of that's -16 in here. And so this is the absolute value of -15, which is 15. So this is equal to 15. And I can find P at 1 while I'm here just making notes. P at 1 is 5, right? The input is 1, the output is 5, not much work to do. So that N of -16 plus P at 1, right? So this is just my work, preliminary work, if you will. This is equal to 15. This was plus, this was equal to 5. So my answer is 20. And so there you go. There's lab 10.